I decide how much money I want to save and which accounts the money will be saved to, and that is automated. I used to have a trouble saving money, sitting down and making a budget and tracking every little expense you have. That was really difficult for me. Then I came up with a saving strategy, which works the best for me. And if you're having trouble saving money, you might want to hear what I'm going to share with you. It's a simple saving strategy, which does not require you to create the conventional budget where you have to track every little expense. So the strategy is very simple. I decided to apply the save first, spend later strategy. So the way I do it's very simple. I don't have a conventional budget. I don't even have anything written down in terms of budget. I don't track my expenses, but I save first. So the way I do it is I decide how much money I want to save and which accounts the money will be saved to, and that is automated. My 401k, my IRA, my HSA, my high yield savings accounts, my brokerage accounts. I decide how much percentage of my paycheck will go to those accounts ahead of time, and I automate all of that. And once I get paid, the money moves from my account and from my paycheck to those accounts automatically. Whatever that's left, I spend it however I want. I don't create a budget. I don't worry about anything else. So the only thing I pay attention to is making sure that whatever that's left will be able to cover all my monthly expenses. And that's it. I never have to worry about writing anything down. And if you're having trouble saving money right now, you might want to try this strategy. And if you think it does not work for you, tell me the best saving strategy that you use. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.